Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to edit a Reddit post. If you want to edit a Reddit post that you've made, go ahead and launch open the Reddit application first and log into your account. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Profile. Now inside the Post tab, you will see the post that you've created. To edit the post, click on the three dots right next to the post and click on Edit Post from the expanded menu. You can then go ahead and add, remove or change the content as needed. You can also clarify your points, fix typos or update with new info. After you are done with the update, click on Done at the top right corner, and this will then be able to save your post. So that's how you can easily edit posts that you've already posted on Reddit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.